Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Netflix membership. All right. If you're planning to restart or reactivate your membership, pause a bit. You can go ahead and go to the link below in the comments and click on this link to get discount if you use the code GUMMY. All right. GUMY. Now going back to the video, the first thing that you need to do if you want to restart or reactivate your Netflix subscription is by just opening the Netflix app. Okay. Now, once it's opened, it's going to ask you to reactivate your account. You can go ahead and tap on that option, then follow the simple prompts. And once done, just go ahead and pay and enjoy Netflix again. Another way to fix that is by going to your My Netflix right here at the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Then go ahead and go to Accounts. In here, under your account, you'll be able to see your subscription. There is something that says Renew, Restart, or Subscribe. Go ahead and tap on that. Then follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Another option is by going to your web browser. It could be on your phone or Windows device, but I find it easier when using the computer version. All right, in here, you can just go ahead and go to netflix.com. Now go to your profile, then hit on account. And here, as you can see, we have membership as well. Just click on Manage Membership. And here, instead of cancel, there will be a renew button right here. Just click on that and follow the simple prompts. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.